Have you ever had a stuffed meatloaf? It's probably yes. Have you ever had meatloaf? It's probably a definite. But have you ever had meatloaf stuffed with mouth-watering, cheesy mac and cheese? Crazy Chef, welcome to the vibe, and the vibe is right. Today we're making stuffed meatloaf, not just any stuffed meatloaf. Today we're making meatloaf stuffed with a little mac and cheese, as you can see on your screen, right? To make this stuffed meatloaf, to make this beautiful, delicious stuffed meatloaf, right, you need peppers, onions, 3 eggs. I personally like to use 80-20. 80% lean, 20% fat. Reason being, I don't like the fat, kind of make it more moist. So if you use 90-10, your meatloaf might not be as moist, right? A lot of people like to use plain breadcrumbs. Me personally, I like to use Italian breadcrumbs because I like a little vibe, right? A little bit of chicken spice or seasoning spice, because I like to season the meat, right? It's always necessary to season the meat. I'm not gonna put too much seasoning because the salt from the mac and cheese is gonna add additional flavoring to the dish. So we're going with minimum salt as possible, right? So you want to make sure you mix your meatloaf properly. Me personally, since these 20-25 days, I've started to make my mac and cheese only with milk. Like, I cook my macaroni, my elbows in the milk, right? I let that boil, then I add my cheese. I'm not adding, usually I'd add seasoning, but I'm not adding any seasoning. And once you get that, that's when you know your mac and cheese is good. If it's not making that sloppy sound, you don't got mac and cheese, right? So once we've made our mac and cheese, we'll create a mold, right, in our pan. Just like a deep well in the meat, right? So we'll put a deep well in the meat and we'll create a mold. We'll put our mac in there. And once we put the mac in there, right, then we'll stuff it, right? So first we put the mac on it and then we stuff it. Crazy Chef, big vibe. If you guess you want to hit that like button. If you haven't hit that like button yet, hit that like button. If it's your first time here, your boy's got a vibe, you want to hit that red subscribe button. You know, give your boy a vibe. Crazy Chef, give the boy a vibe, right? And hit that hype button so YouTube hype the video. So hit that hype button. So now we're gonna smack it around a little bit just to get it nice and tight. You can also lift it, drop it. And what I like to do when I make my meatloaf is I like to cook it in a steam bath first. And after I cook it in a steam bath, I like to take it out and then give it a little dry. Then I like to dry like without the steam bath. Put a little, some people like to mix the mustard with the ketchup. I like just pure ketchup. And then I put it back in my oven, no moisture, and just bake. And then it should come out looking like that. Listen, if your meatloaf doesn't look like that, you're not doing it right. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Crazy Chef, big vibe.